Tonight, a News 4 follow. Last week, we reported dental workers are looking for guidance before reopening here in Tennessee. Well, the Tennessee Board of Dentistry voted to answer those concerns tonight. News 4's Ryan Breslin has the story.
Dentists are strongly recommended to follow guidelines put out by the American Dental Association, the board passing that in a way to not discipline dentists who violate the recommendations.
My only concern is if we as a board are not allowed to create these guidelines, why should we be allowed to enforce them?
In an almost 2-hour debate Monday, the Tennessee Board of Dentistry tried giving clarity to the dentists planning to shift from emergency procedures only to elective care. The decision to strongly recommend the ADA guidelines instead of adopting, leaving disciplinary action out.
What I don't want is our 5 staff people and the limited staff that we have to deal with hundreds of complaints for someone thinking they should wear an N95 when level 3 is appropriate.
The move addresses the proper PPE that should be used during visits: an N95 or level 3 mask with goggles or face shield, and they recommend professional judgment for the use of gowns and head and foot coverings.
We're trying our best, as best we can, but there's some things out there we just can't get. We want to keep our patients safe.
While complaints of neglect can still be sent to the board and investigated since they can take action on licenses, this also leaves complaints up to OSHA.
This is the first meeting that you guys have really had on this. You're kind of way behind the ball on it. I don't think that you should fine anybody or hold anybody liable if you guys are just doing this a day and a half before we're starting to open.
Dental hygienists I've reached out to have not wanted to go on camera to comment on this situation, but they say that they are still concerned about aerosols produced while cleaning teeth. Ryan Breslin, News 4 Nashville.